Welcome to 200forexpips.com. In this video I'm going to review the indicator system that I'm using from a long time. And guys, and that's my I have just closed my trade on New Zealand USD. That was a buy position, and guys, you can see here the result was $1160 profit on that trade. Similarly, you can see the other results like $675 and 1160, 337, 746, 587, $800, 736, and $1095. So basically how I'm getting this type of profits in a series, in a row. Normally when subscribers contact me, some of the subscribers says that that is it possible to make consistent profits. So guys, here are the results. You can see that's the account that I'm showing in front of you people. So this is the account. You can see that it is filled with consistent profits, and there is no lie with it because I'm making consistent profits with the system, and the system is very easy to understand because it works like a robot on your MT4 platform. So first of all, let's review this system. So how it works. Look, this is the lower red boundary of the system. So this red area represents the buy position on a chart. So look here, on USD Canadian dollar, the market when entered into the red zone, then it moves up and you had a chance to make money on that, and also it will go more up according to the prediction of this report. Okay, similarly Australian dollar USD, look at here, when it comes into the above red zone, then the market has a fall here. So guys, there is no good system like this in the market which is giving this much consistent and the perfect results, and there is no doubt that about the power of the system. Similarly, look here, there is another chance on Australian dollar USD. The market is again inside the red zone, and I will look for the bearish entry on that trade. Okay, look at here, this is the another indicator system. That's green signal means that it's a buy position. It went up. When it changes its color to green, then it means that the market will move up. Now look, it has changed its starts into white, and after that the red tail will begin and the bearish momentum will start, and I will take my bearish entry right from here because it's already in a red zone. When it will make a bearish pattern here, then I will enter into a trade. Look at here, this candle went bullish, and after that the bearish pattern started, and I have taken the sell trade. Similarly, I will, if this candle will go bearish, then I will definitely go into a bearish trade. Similarly, look, the other pairs, like I'm on Euro USD right now on H1. The market entered into the red zone, and after that you can see the bearish momentum has started. This is the live trading platform. I'm not showing you any kind of fake pictures here. So look, the market is currently falling. If I go to the lower time frames, you can clearly see after coming into the red zone, the market has a downfall here. So you can also trade the binary options with this trading system, as well as you can use it in a forex trading platform MT4. Okay, similarly, more reviews. When market enters on Great Britain pound JPY into the red zone, it has a downfall here, and if it again comes back here, I will sell that pair. And in case of USD CHF, look at here, first the market entered into the red zone at the top of the area, then the market was down, and now it is just here in the lower red zone area, and look how it's going up. It's going up. So this is the power of the system, and nobody can deny this thing. Okay, now again the next chart, New Zealand USD. Okay, so look at here, it seems that the bearish pattern is going to be going to start here. I will just wait for this candle. If this candle will close bearish, then I will take my sell position on New Zealand USD, and I hope that it will go more down. It will go down from that level, and you will have a chance to make enough profits with this system. So guys, if you want to get this powerful trading system, then please email me on info@200forexpips.com. This email address is already provided in the description of the video. And please visit my website, which is 200forextips.com, and also please subscribe my YouTube channel because I share some of the tips and tricks with you. And look at here, you can also make consistent money like this, and you will have a chance to just make your MT4 terminal loaded with the profits like me. Okay guys, if you have any inquiries, then please do email me on info@200forexpips.com if you want to get this indicator. If you want to get my Forex 1 hour Skype to Skype one-to-one coaching, then you can also contact me on the same email address. And also please visit my website 200forexpips.com. Here you can also check out my signal packages here, and you can ask for the signal service. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Bye.